Hello YouTube. So I really don't do that many firearm videos on my channel. I think I'm going to start doing it because this is a pretty good hobby of mine. I have quite a few firearms. I do need to do a range day, and I'll take the tripod and do some awesome video. But in this case, I'm going to start building this AR-10. I already got the mag release in there. Don't have an AR-10 mag right now, so to get that timed in there, I basically just did it to where it went flush away. See, it comes back. So when the bullet's depressed, the mag release button is depressed, it moves out of the way and it's out of focus, and it's not a problem. So when I get some magazines, I will have to check to see if I need to screw that in more or not. But as you can see, it's not really screwed in all that much. And while you guys see the serial number of my firearm, but oh well. So that's that for this. I am doing this on top of a towel, and it's because you can see all the parts really well. Hopefully I don't lose any springs or detents. And this is what I'm going to be using soon. Now, you probably noticed some interesting parts like this red spring, and that is a tall tale sign of a really cool part. That sticker is part of it, but that one went to the AR-10. The AR-15. And the AR-10, I'm putting this exact same thing. Franklin Armory binary trigger. This is their Gen 3. I found that the spring on it that's in here was broken. So I had to take this apart and redo it. It's really not that big of a deal. If you guys need a video or want a video on how to take this apart and put it back together, let me know and I'll get that video together. It's quite straightforward. And you get this little care package on the back full of miscellaneous fun stuff. So that's going to go into this. So I'm not going to be using all these parts. Yeah, I do have some spare parts. Like I got 2 of these now. I got 2 hammers, 2 triggers, and 2 of some other stuff like selector switches. But that's not a problem. I'll just use those to build another firearm. Anyway. So I'm going to get busy on this. This is not going to be like a step-by-step how-to. There's enough videos on that. This is just going to be like a follow along on this AR-10 build. I will keep a running tally in the description on what I've spent to build this. And a complete part list. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and get this together. And I got quite some video editing to do. For the day at the fair, and the fair I think is going to be uploaded first. This is going to be uploaded in a couple days. I'm not sure. It might be the other way around. Anyway, like I said, going to get busy on this before I go back to New York. Thank you for watching. Alright, so I finally got the trigger in along with the selector switch. The selector switch is not the hard part. Okay? The hard part is trying to line up this trigger because you got multiple little pieces in there. Okay. That's the hard part right there. Trying to line up all that. Finally got it in. Going to get the hammer in tonight. Get the trigger. This is safety. This is single shot. And this is going to be the binary, and you can see how much more that trigger moves between single to binary. So, cool.